this extremely meaningful moment, I would like to pay my higher respect to His Excellency Li Cheng, Director General of Balti Group and the President of Balti International University, Balti management teams, honorable judges, lecturers, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vuthi Panyawattai, a Year 2 student from the Faculty of Education, Art and Humanities. And today I'm very pleased to stand here and to share with all of you with a remarkable topic, which is how can we attract more tourists to visit Cambodia? Well, first let me define you with two keywords are attract and tourist. According to the dictionary.com, attract means to cause someone to have a like or interest in something. And the word tourist means a person who is traveling or visiting a place for pleasure. So the topic is simply asked that how can we increase the number of visitors from everywhere to visit Cambodia? And I have thought of 3 ways to attract more tourists, and I have termed it as the SMS method. And all of you may wonder, what is SMS? But SMS here is not about a small message service or chatting on your phone, but it is about security, media, and services. First, let me start with security. Security is very important to attract more tourists. If you want to attract more tourists, you have to make sure that your country is secure and safe. Make sure that there is no robbery, stealing, or crimes. For an example, in Siem Reap province, the tourists can hang out at night because in that area is secure and safe. So when the tourists come here, they will feel warm, happy, and confident in their trips. Secondly, M stands for medias. Medias plays as a very important role in tourism field. People these days are using a numerous type of social networks in every single day. So we already got a wonder place for us is Angkor Wat Temple, and everybody knew it. So the government should spread more news about the history, like when was it built and what did they use to construct in that time. Just try to show the world how amazing it is, and just to try to show them that this is the real world wonder. And moreover, I can say that we are lucky because we get such a very good natural environment. We have never experienced any natural disaster such as storm or earthquake. So this is the good point that we have to share it to the worldwide. So I strongly believe that when the tourists see and know it through the medias, they will want to see the real thing. They don't just want to see it in the pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, the last letter S stands for services. Services is also important. If you want to attract more tourists, you have to facilitate them in all kinds of services, such as airport service, tour service, transportations, hotel, restaurant, entertainments. And the most important is to provide them a nice place to see and to visit. So in this case, the government should give stronger protection on our heritage, not just in Angkor Wat Temple, but the other temple and the other resorts. And just try to keep it beautiful as much as we can, and try to repair the damaged part. So when the tourists come here and when they get a warm welcome from us, they will remember it or they may recommend it to their friends to come and visit too. So, in my conclusion, I think that the SMS method is very effective. If the government and the tourism industry can follow this method, I strongly believe that the number of tourists will be increased. And as I am the Cambodian, and it starts from all of us, I would like to encourage and urge all of you here to play your part in helping the tourist field by keeping peace, preserving the environment, and all the tourist sites when you visit it. And just follow one phrase that our Prime Minister, Samdech Akhet Mahasenapati Techo Hun Sen, has acclaimed that clean city, clean resort, and good service. Thank you.
Thank you for your speech. You have 2 minutes for question from the judges.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and my beloved contestants, Panyawattai, if you were a Minister of Tourism, what kind of media do you think the best to use to attract tourists?
Thank you for your question. If I were the Ministry of Tourism, I think that the media at the effective media is the TV and one more is Facebook, because nowadays all the people like using Facebook. So if we just spread our news through Facebook and through the television, I think that this is the effective way. Thank you.
Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, and Belty contestants, Ms. Vuthi, what role do you believe a open and stable democracy plays in attracting tourists to Cambodia?
Yes, I think the roles that important for attract the tourists is just like I have mentioned before about my method. The SMS method is about security, media, and service. It's just about these three.